Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing the other headstands here on the Reformer. So there's headstands 1, facing down, headstands 2, facing up. There's variations of this one as well. And so I have a bar here because I could be somebody someday who would do this with the bar. We will soon find out. Your foot bar is up, your headrest is up, and you have a sticky pad here. And what you do is you work yourself into place. So you're gonna come up onto the top of your head, right? And then your hands can be on your forehead. Mine are gonna hold on to the shoulder blocks just for a little bit of balance. Heels together, toes apart. And then if I was to grab this bar and do it with the bar, then I could. Okay, so that's there. But I'm gonna show you with my hands here. So I'm gonna press out towards straight legs. I can lower, lift my heels, and come back in. It's like a semicircle sort of thing. Press out, lower, lift my heels, and come in. And I could do that holding the bar, and then when I pressed out, my arms could go down towards my thighs, right? So I could press out, the arms come down, arms come up, and I could pull it. I'm not there in my practice yet. This is where I am, and that's okay, right? And you can do this on 1 or 2 springs, depending on where you are. You want to make sure, I have a lot of people who ask about the neck. I don't really feel it in my neck because I have so much of my center holding me up that my head is just there as like a stand. So the neck muscles, they're working, but nothing's gripping, right? And so that's why you'll be able to be free to use your arms someday and do similar to breathing on the Cadillac. So hopefully in a year or so, I can make this video for you again and show you how I've improved. This is not an exercise for everybody, obviously not for people with neck issues. And it's there as a great challenge for someone, but if it's not part of your practice yet, it's so okay. Right? It's really, really okay. But if you want to see what you can do on the mat to prepare yourself for it, check out the workshop I have on onlinepilatesclass.com, Reformer on the Mat. I go over things you could do to get ready for headstands. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.